Hey everybody, it's day 30 of our summer sketches. I cannot believe it's day 30. We have a fun one for you today. We're gonna draw cherries using the number 8. So we're gonna draw an 8 over here on this side. So a big old 8. And then we're gonna flip our paper. Okay. And then we're gonna draw the stem, and they're connected here. So start at that same point, come down, and I'm gonna add a leaf. Just 2 lines, and then you can do a line in the center with some detailed lines there. That's like the top of the cherry. It has this little mark on it at the very end of the stem. Okay, let's make these cuties. So we're gonna draw 2 little eyes. Maybe I'll give this one some eyelashes. And then we'll do another face over here. Oh my goodness. And that's it. It's so simple. Let's give it some color and see how it looks. I'm so blessed because a friend of mine sent me these amazing markers, and there's so many different colors, and I've really been enjoying using them the whole month. She sent them to me. So sweet, so supportive. Oh, I love you. It's important to have good friends. And it's important to be a good friend to people too. You want to be supportive, you want to care about what your friends are doing. And I'm very blessed with good friends. Sometimes we worry about, do we have good friends, but are we thinking, am I being a good friend? And I was just talking about friendship today. I guess that's why it's on my mind. I was reflecting on my friends and how great they are. Loving these cute cherries. Don't forget to come back tomorrow. It is our last day of summer sketches. I hope you've been following along for the month of July. We're doing summer sketches, simple drawings using numbers or letters, and there you have it. Cute little cherries using the number 8.